Number 2.
Is this going to go in there?
Yep. That one goes in there already. Look at that. Custom. Okay, tighten her up. Good. I'll wear it out. There, 1 fork leg assembly, ready to go. Oh, it's like a Buell. That's the left one. We need a right one. You got a right one?
Right here. Left is in.
Got a spring? There's almost no rust on that. It's perfect.
Spring.
Well, I already got the pre-fit on this side, Fred. See? Got it pre-fitted and make sure it fits. Boop, right out. You hit a double pop? Boop, pop.
Yep.
Do it went. Gotta pull this off, Fred. What's this, Fred? Ugh.
Where's the top cap?
We haven't found that yet.
Why am I putting this in here if I don't have a top cap?
There we go. Let me get this off. Get the valve. Losing the parts, Fred.
Scratch the paint.
Oh, bingo.
Scratch the paint.
Ding, ding, ding. Nut.
Chimba chinga.
Chinga chonga. Nut me up, boss. We have to find nuts for the top. We don't have any. This is different than the Buell. You sure that fits?
There you go.
It's going. A long-winded one.
Going.
It's going. It's almost gone.
It's on there.
Yeah, that's a long-winded one. Oh, super Gorilla tight. Perfect. Let the goo off. Okay, undo me.
You need this for the bottom?
Yep, it's pre-fitted. See, I pre-fitted it. Got a fork leg? Slider?
I didn't think we'd be able to get them.
Little extra chips in there.
They didn't see that. Like snowflakes coming out of it.
Snowflakes.
Are you not going to do anything on these? No seals or nothing?
It's mock-up. Who cares?
It's a mock-up.
Got a nut?
It's a mock-up. Didn't you take a nut off the end of that one?
Somewhere.
Right there.
You need a nut. Nylock. I don't need no nylock. Just put it on. You need a stinking nylock.
You don't need no stinking nylock?
That's sharp edge. We should grind that off so I can cut myself. Fred, it's on the ground.
I'm dropping stuff.
Watch out for that handle. I don't know why you didn't deburr that.
That's sticking me in my hip. Destroying my hip.
I have to work on this fork leg. It's a little sharp edge there.
Why is this thing crooked? You bend this damn extension? Is it spinning?
I don't know. You're tiny, not me. I think you're good. See, that digs into my finger, but he didn't care. Got an airline?
Why did you wear that? Oh, you just welded that shit on there.
Got an airline?
We got an airline?
Yeah. Gotta take that off.
I think you got.
My finger hurts though.
Oh, it paid.
Pain. Where's your airline? Where's your grinder? What grit are we gonna use? That's a good one. Oh, it's factory. Perfect. There you go. Did I do that right, Fred?
Yeah, you did it. Right or wrong, it was done.
Just been over there for like 2 years waiting for me to do that. It took me a long time to do it too. Another fork leg. We gotta get 2 fork legs.
Fork and egg.
Fork and legs. All right. Okay, where's your bolts?
We need a top bolt.
No, you don't. You need pinch bolts, though.
Oh.
You need pinch bolts?
No, not with me.
Are they 3/8 or 7/16? Who year is this front end? 7/16, fine thread, about that long. Go get a couple out of the drawer.
7/16.
What about down there? Not that long, that's a head bolt. Nope, nope, nope. This is not motor part. Nope, that's motor junk. Let's go get a couple new ones. Those are caps. We don't need caps around here.
7/16.
I need some of these. Anybody got a bunch of these? I need early ones. Preferably rusty. They're 5/8 fine thread, not metric. These are metric. Metric are for Showa. I need American parts. Alright, so this is the right side. We're gonna need an axle cap too. You got one of those? Oh, look at that. It goes right in there like it's made for it. Yeah, nice and tight fit. Look at that. Bing, 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 bing. How about this one? Oh, geez, like it's made for it. There it goes. That one stays in. That's good. This one's a little loose. Find something?
That's too long?
I don't know. Put them on there. Should go on the lock watch with you too.
No, this is step one. You gotta move it.
It's a little on the long side. Quarter shorter in the lock washer.
Sir, yes, sir.
And then we're going to need 2 fine thread nuts. We got one fine thread nut. Another one of those. We need an axle cap. Those are hard to come by. I never have those when I want them. Front right. Right. We need an axle sleeve, which we don't have right now either. Those are hard to come by too. Find one of those. Everything we need is missing. More missing parts. We're gonna need an axle. Ooh, there's a chrome plated rear frame one. That's brand new. That's too good for this bike. Oh, way down here. Yeah, that's a brand new one. Way too nice one for this bike. We'll choose one of these back here. We'll figure out which one we're going to use. We'll start with the chrome one. It's shorter. It looks like somebody took a hammer to it and screwed it all up. So neither one of those will work either. So we got to find a front axle. Ah. See, I get hooked too. I don't know what happened to all my panhead parts. There used to be a whole bunch of that junk over here, but it got moved. I like this one better than the other one. These aren't panhead parts. Some panhead parts, but not much. Nope. Race bike parts. What'd you find? Push it all the way to the top.
Yep. No, really?
Yeah, really.
All
Yep, all the way. Like it's supposed to and everything. Ooh, pretty good.
Where's the other one? Put the other one in.
It's right next to you.
Snake would have bit me like that frickin' handle.
Like this handle right here. Right there. Need an axle cap too, you got one? An axle sleeve and an axle. We got a wheel though.
They're moving. This looks like my old triple trees.
They were on the 57.
So they're my old triple trees. No.
On the 57. I think you need a bigger wrench. Well, it just started. You bite onto it. Just started. We have enough parts for this. We don't have enough parts yet to put this together.
Put it down then. Snug it up.
Snug her up. There you go, sir.
What's next?
I gotta find a bunch of parts I don't have.
That mean I can go home now?
Nope.
What?
Nope. Gotta go to the ground.